So this is what I found. Larry's Barbacoa. Okay. Now Larry's Barbacoa claims that they're the best barbacoa in the world. I'm no barbacoa expert, but I got some cheese on here. I got some Tapatio hot sauce on here. Some Larry's Barbacoa on corn tortillas because I like corn tortillas better than flour. Barbacoa really that great? Of course it is. Absolutely. Is this barbacoa the best in the world? Pretty damn tasty. Pretty damn tasty, yeah. Hey, it's true. Larry may have the best damn barbacoa in the world. Just something about barbacoa, okay? It's meat. It's good. Seasoned to perfection. Honestly, this tastes like deep pit barbacoa. My ass loves barbacoa. But you know what? Barbacoa is different with everyone. And I think that's something to be learned from a plate of barbacoa tacos. You see, we're all freaking different. Every single one of us. We're different. And that's okay. Just like this barbacoa. Being different means that we're unique. It means that we're special in some sort of way. It means that we're all ourselves. And being unique is pretty cool. So, get you a glass of something to drink. Plate of barbacoa tacos. Put onions, cilantro, salsa, Oaxaca cheese, queso fresco, whatever you want to put on there. Put them on a corn tortilla like I do. Put them on a flour tortilla. They're all going to be great if you like barbacoa. If you don't, have some brisket. Above all else, embrace the love that comes from the people that do it. Embrace the love of the taco. Embrace the love of the world. Taste some South Texas. I just polished off 4 barbacoa tacos in about 5 minutes. Does that tell you how much my fat ass loves barbacoa? Be good to one another. Serve great tacos. Serve the best tacos. Serve the best version of barbacoa that you've got. Be real. Be a taco. It's okay. Trust me. We'll like it regardless. If it's good. So yeah. Tacos are good. Barbacoa tacos are great. I picked up this Larry's Barbacoa here near my house. Not really near my house, but it's close to my house. It's worth the drive. Because Larry takes pride in his barbacoa. Now, I didn't know Larry, and I still don't know Larry. I have no freaking clue who Larry is. He claims he's got the best barbacoa in the world. I think he's right. Go out there. Be your best barbacoa.